I've been meaning to do this. We are opening up these back doors. Wow. As you can see, all the buckets right here. It's a bit of a mess right now, but that's kind of the point. It's gonna be a mess because we're living in the build while we're building it. Now we're at Home Depot. We gotta get 2x4s and wood screws to go through Jared's wall and make him a bed platform. This is good. Yeah. We got a couch right here. We got my desk right here. I was editing last night. All these windows, as you can see, have some natural light. My bed's on the floor. It's a full-size mattress. This is it. It's nice and cozy.